guys, Irene here. I'm back with another behind the scenes video. Today we're actually using LED lighting. Aputure just sent me their new COB Lightstorm lighting. I have the 120D, which is a very neutral and natural looking lighting. Since this is a behind the scene video and not a review, and you guys know I'm not really a review channel, I will leave some awesome videos reviewing this lighting in the description down below, so you guys can check them out if you're interested. But I'm just gonna show you how I used it and what kind of pictures I was able to get with this lighting. Today I have my friend George Dutch, aka Presetguy, joining us at the photo shoot, and we're gonna be photographing beautiful Talise. I wanted to try something a little bit more editorial and fashion this time, and since this was the inspiration image for the photo shoot, I decided to revamp one of my wigs. I got this long blonde wig from Everyday Wigs, and I decided to curl it and make it super fluffy and big. Because the wig is a lace front and my model is naturally blonde, it actually looked a lot more natural than I expected. I also decided to use this huge red hat that I have. It's gonna make our portraits look a little bit more interesting, and also is gonna help us hide the fact that the model is wearing a wig. My setup is actually really simple. I have my LED light on the stand, set up pretty high looking down on the model on the camera left. That way I can get that classic Rembrandt lighting. I also really love this big dome from Aputure. It's giving me that soft diffused light that I really like, and that is really similar to natural light. And to create even more drama, I set up a fan pretty close to the model to blow the hair and create some movement. If you would like to see the pictures George got at this photo shoot, go ahead and check out Presetguy on Instagram. For the next set of shots, we decided to change into a different outfit, and since the wig is blonde, I wanted to go all white and have a very angelic type of look. So here the background is pretty dark, so for the next shot I decided to take George's ring light, put it closer to the background, illuminated, and this way we're gonna have a little bit more texture in the background. I also decided to take out my Petzval lens for these shots. I wanted to give it that vintage oil painting type of look. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to check out Talise and Jay. I'll put their links in the description down below. Also, as well as the lighting and the backdrop that we used, everything that I can, I'll leave in the description. So yeah, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Also, Jay has a YouTube channel, so check out his YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Bye!